Dears, here I am Dr. Nisar Ahmed. Thank you for having me. I just thank God for all of the blessings. If you expect the blessings of God, be kind to His people. We pray, dear God, please bring comfort to those who feel sick. Bless the medical and healthcare specialists. I am going to share with you one of the most important topic, pain and its management, that have ever been discovered in my clinical practice. However, sometimes I have had a hard time since there are a lot of challenges as well. But even so, I have tried to look in a positive side because I know dealing with human isn't an easy thing. In order to improve my work performance and myself, I believe there are still many things I have to learn and need to strive for having better in future. Why should not use the painkiller medicines? All allopathic medicines are not safe for health. Studies have shown that those patients are using painkiller medicines for a long time sensitize a portion of the nervous system and modifies the way your brain and spinal cord interpret pain signals. Sometimes pain may actually worse. Risk of addiction, harmful for body's endocrine system. Pain medications simply mask your symptoms. They don't treat the root cause of your pain. All painkiller medicines stop the enzymes that heal body naturally. Now discuss pain. Pain is unpleasant sensation that can range from mild localized discomfort to agony. Pain has both physical and emotional components. Healing is a complex and dynamic process of replacing devitalized and missing cellular structure and tissue layers. What is the best remedy for pain? Natural healing works to restore functions by strengthening and nourishing organs. Natural oils stimulate regeneration and boost energy in body. Regenerative medicine promotes the repairing response of injured tissues. Rosemary oil, lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, clove, capsaicin, ginger, feverfew, and some others oils best for rheumatoids, arthritis, inflammation, muscular pain, strain, spasm, cramps, bone fracture, back pain. I have make a combination of these oils and extract of many other herbs. Name is SADAT Essential Oil for pain. Most effective and safe. No side effect. Method of using is simple. Gentle massage on pain area and cover.